Hello guys, welcome to Creative Process DIY. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install this Moen Magnetix Rainshower combo. It does say that it is spot resistant. It also has 6 setting hand shower, and the good thing about it, this has 60 inches metal hose. So the reason why I'm installing this, just because we need some help to bathe our Frenchie. Now we're bathing our Frenchie just by putting some water into the bucket, and it's very uncomfortable. So stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how to install it. Let's unbox it and see what we have inside. We got a metal hose with 2 rubber washers, a manual instruction, a hand shower, and a rain shower with 3-way diverter. I'm gonna be using these groove joint pliers for this installation. And this is the only tool we need. Now I'm gonna unthread old shower head from shower arm. Now I need to remove this plumber's tape. I am using this steel hook by Craftsman. With this tool it's very easy to remove plumber's tape from the shower arm. Loosen nut to allow shower ball to rotate. Attach rain shower to shower arm and thread shower ball to the shower arm. To tighten a shower ball, you can use a wrench. I am using groove joint pliers. Hand tighten nut to secure rain shower until nut stops. You have 2 rubber washers included. Attach washer and hose to the hand shower and hand tighten the metal hose to the hand shower. The other end of the metal hose we're gonna attach to the rain shower. So now I need to install the last part to the shower head. So I'm gonna hand tight everything because you see this is the plastic part and I don't really want to break it. And this is a magnetic part. Really comfortable. So let's see the length of the hose. So basically our Frenchie is about this tall, so it's gonna be comfortable to wash him. So now let's run some water. So this is a setting number 1. This is setting number 2. And setting number 3. So now when we need to take this handheld shower head, we need to turn off here. And as I said, we have French, it's gonna be really comfortable to wash him. Also has multiple settings. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video where you can buy Magnetix Rainshower combo by Moen.
this enough?